Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Single Serve Coffee Maker. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Single Serve Coffee Maker, Black, Capacitive-Touch Controls, 49,903. Brew a cup of hot, delicious coffee with the Flexbrew Single Serve Coffee Maker and enjoy the flexibility of brewing two ways. Simply add a K-cup pot or your favorite coffee grounds, add water, lower the lid and press a button. Your coffee will be ready in about 2 minutes. In addition to fast brewing, this coffee maker lets you brew into a cup or travel mug, and you can make up to a 10-ounce serving with a pot or up to 14 ounces with coffee grounds. The slim design of the Flexbrew single-serve coffee maker is not only attractive, it saves counter space and fits practically anywhere since it measures less than 5 wide. Capacitive-Touch controls provide easy, touch-sensitive operation and the 14-ounce water reservoir is easy to fill. The cup rest holds a standard size cup and removes to let you brew into a 7 inches tall travel mug, and it has a storage area for the included single-serve brew basket or pot holder. Number 2. Mainstays Single-Serve Dual Brew Coffee, Black. The perfect cup of coffee is only moments away with the Mainstays Single-Serve Dual Brew Coffee Maker. Designed to work quickly with a filter for ground coffee and a compatible capsule holder, this easy-to-use coffee brewer creates custom cups of your favorite coffee to order with a simple, one-touch operation. Perfect for mornings on the go, an afternoon pick-me-up, or a relaxing after-dinner cup, it has a 14-ounce reservoir to always keep the coffee maker ready for your next satisfying coffee break. It even has a drip tray that is removable to accommodate standard and travel-size mugs and makes it easy to clean. With an auto-shut feature for your convenience, the Mainstays Single-Serve Dual Brew Coffee Maker has a stylish and modern polished finish in a lovely iris whisper shade of purple. Number 3. K-Express Essential Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker, Black. Introducing the K-Express Essential Single-Serve Coffee Maker in black, Keurig quality at our most welcoming price. This have-it-all brewer is a great way to experience genuine Keurig quality and rich, full-flavored coffee made with the push of a button convenience, at a truly attractive price. This streamlined, modern coffee maker gives you a range of Keurig features that can enhance your coffee routine. You can enjoy a delicious cup of hot, freshly brewed coffee in minutes, with no prep and no mess. The 36 ounces reservoir means you can make cup after cup without refilling, and back-to-back brewing means you don't have to wait for your brewer to reheat before brewing a second cup. Plus, you can choose your favorites from the hundreds of coffee brands and flavors available in K-Cup pods, including tea or hot cocoa. You can even use a My K-Cup reusable coffee filter with your own favorite ground coffee, sold separately. And all of this comes at a price that helps you put America's #1 single-serve coffee maker brand on your counter. Now everybody can truly enjoy a rich cup of coffee at the push of a button, because Keurig is for all. Number 4. Mr. Coffee Single-Serve Frappe Iced Coffee Maker with Blender in Black. Skip the coffee shop and brew your favorite drinks at home. With its 3-in-1 functionality, frozen, iced, and hot coffee, the Mr. Coffee Single-Serve Frappe, Iced, and Hot Coffee Maker and Blender with reusable tumbler and coffee filter, Black makes it easy. With the built-in blender and automatic blending cycle, frappes turn out perfectly frosty every time. For consistently great-tasting drinks, frozen, iced, or hot, the magic is in the measurements. The easy-to-use measuring system and dual-sided scoop make brewing simple. They give you the perfect ratio of water plus coffee plus ice, for frappes and coffee drinks that are always bold and flavorful. When that coffee craving hits, there's no need to wait. The machine brews in under 4 minutes. Brew up to 16 ounces of bold, pod-free hot coffee, or 22 ounces of refreshing iced coffee with a single-serve reusable filter. Enjoy your iced coffee and frappe at home, or take them on the go with the reusable tumbler. Also includes recipe book with inspiration for creating frappes, iced coffees, and more. Ships new in box. Number 5. Spoly 6-in-1 Coffee Machine, compatible with K-Cup pods and ground coffee, compact coffee brewer with dishwasher-safe milk frother, single-serve coffee/tea/latte/cappuccino. Wake up every morning to a delicious cup of coffee with any of Spoly's high-quality coffee makers. The 6-in-1 coffee maker will utterly revamp your at-home coffee routine. Want to brew coffee with K-Cup pods or ground coffee? That's easy, too, thanks to the automatic milk frother. The item is surprisingly versatile and equipped with several convenient features. It has 6 drink options in total, all of which can be brewed with one touch. The milk reservoir makes it a lot easier to fill and holds between 4 and 11 ounces. The drip tray can be adjusted to fit travel mugs up to 7 inches tall. If you are looking for a convenient way to brew coffee, tea, lattes and cappuccinos, this Spoly multifunctional machine has exactly what you want. It is more than suitable for whipping up drinks like lattes and cappuccinos that are on par with any high-quality coffee shop. Enjoy full-flavored coffee with maximum convenience. Remarkably easy to use and clean, most parts are the dishwasher safe.